Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at KuCoin, which is an amazing exchange with some of the very best rates available on the market. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the KuCoin website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. Let's find out all of the things that KuCoin has to offer. Well, first of all guys, when you get over to the link, you're going to come to this page here, and before we look at how to sign up, etc., let's just look through a little bit about the KuCoin exchange. You can see they have obviously all the major cryptos, but what's really important is you can get lots of other different services such as staking, very low fee trading, and way more things. They have over 700 coins available on their platform with accumulated trading volume of over $1 trillion, which is absolutely insane. Basically, when you want to trade, etc., you need large volumes to trade with because it allows for good liquidity. It allows for smaller spreads in prices, so that's when you're buying and selling, they're not necessarily too far apart, they're fairly similar in price. It's the largest social trading platform anywhere in crypto, and it's the people's exchange with over 200 countries covered and 20 global communities. You can trade anywhere, anytime by using the desktop or on your phone. It's available in the Apple App Store as well as Google Play, etc. And you have 24/7 customer support, which is obviously essential when you're dealing with things like money, because it's really important if something goes wrong that someone's there for you. It's well recognized, as you'd expect from one of the largest exchanges going. As well as that, there's loads of FAQs where you can go and answer any questions you have about the platform or just crypto in general. So looking at buy crypto, you can have fast trade where I can just buy using fiat currency, connecting my Visa card, MasterCard, whatever. As well as that, you've got P2P bank transfer options and then third-party options like Bitcoin Direct, Banksa, etc. In terms of the markets, guys, as you'd imagine, 700 coins. You're going to basically find any coin that you're interested in buying or have heard of on YouTube or anything like that in the KuCoin exchange, because they list more coins pretty much than any other large platform. You can click on spot and you can see that you have an opportunity to enter into the trading platform. We'll have a look at that in just a moment. As well as that, you can trade futures, again with massive amounts of volume, which is obviously cool. And then you can click on new listings, which is a really cool feature because it allows you to see all of the new coins that are listed in the platform. You can sort by the date that they've been listed from. For example, this is the newest one here, launched on the 29th of the 7th, HIBAYC, and then you can see all the other coins that have been launched on the platform. You can see how they've been performing since listing, with MLS performing really strongly, 133% rise, but that's since back in May. And then obviously you can flip to the other side. Here we can see inflation hedging coin, 10th of the 6th, 38% drop. So obviously be very cautious when you're investing in new coins and make sure you are doing your solid research behind them, because you can see the differences behind a solid launch and perhaps a less solid launch. To sign up, guys, very straightforward. Obviously go through the link in the description and then you're going to come across this sign up page. You just need to enter an email and a password, and if you've got a referral code you can also enter that there. Okay, once you've logged in, guys, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks very much like this, which is a dashboard with all your kind of balances, etc. You can click on main, and that's going to see you all of the coins that are in the main account wallet. There's two wallets here where you've got a main account and a trading account. So think of the main account like kind of like a bank account, and the trading account like your wallet that you're taking out to buy and sell things with. As you can see, there's nothing in the main account right now. If I want to like use one of these particular tokens, I can search for it. So for example, I can just type on Bitcoin and it's going to bring it up here. I can deposit, earn, withdraw. Now clicking on the earn function, you can see some interesting features available here. Okay, I can earn an APR, or an annual percentage return, of 0.15% on Bitcoin. Obviously not the most exciting in the world, but you can see above all of these flicking through that are different options where you can earn up to 12.13% on USDT, which is a stable coin. That's amazing. You can earn 40% on Hydra and various other ones. Obviously with the other coins like ADA, Matic, BNB, etc., they have the opportunity to go up and down. So if you're locking them in and staking them, then it's potentially risky because those coins could drop in value even if you're earning a percentage yield. But with stable coins, obviously they're linked to the dollar. So although the dollar is extremely high right now and the dollar will start to fall, it won't fall as aggressively as perhaps a cryptocurrency might do. I'd be very surprised if the US dollar fell over 12% within a year, but who knows exactly what might happen in the coming 12 months. Here you can see I can go across to trading spot where I have to put in a trading password. But once I'm in there, guys, for example, if I wanted to trade Sol and USDT, I can literally just click on this and that will allow me to trade from one to the other, either via a market order, as well as that by going back, I can also trade futures. I also then have the ability to do things like leverage trading, etc. And you can see that there's a futures bonus here. If I click on the futures bonus, I can get up to 100 USDT. If I deposit some money in, I'm going to get a bonus that I can use to trade. So effectively I can use free money to trade with. Obviously it's not free money because I put money in originally, so always pay attention to what you've put in. Don't just go playing around on this platform if you're not really sure what you're doing. Here you can use leverage up to 100x. I would never use leverage of 100x, but obviously depending on your level of experience, you can make the use of trading with leverage. For example, a 10x, if I've got $100, it means I have the ability to trade with $1,000. 100x would be trading with $10,000 with just $100. But remember, a 1% move is $100, so if it moves against you, you will lose all of the money that you've put into the platform if you go at 100x, and a 1% move in crypto is really something that will happen every kind of 30 seconds to maybe just a few minutes. So be very cautious about trading with leverage if you're new to the game. So there's loads of cool different ways in which you can earn rewards, etc. with KuCoin, from just using the platform, from staking coins, etc., as well as referring other people across. You've also got the opportunity to buy and sell NFTs, and you can visit the Wonderland NFT Launchpad, which is going to show you all of the new NFT projects that are coming out. And there's another thing that's really cool about KuCoin that it allows you to do, and that is fractionalize the blue chip NFTs for everyone. So if you think about a Bored Ape Yacht Club or something like that, there's been times where the floor price or the cheapest one available is like $500,000. Obviously, most people don't have $500,000 to be buying an NFT, but if you believe in a particular NFT project and you want to be able to invest in it but don't have $500,000 set aside for buying a JPEG, then you can perhaps buy a portion of that individual JPEG, which is a really cool thing, because maybe I've got 1% of that money, like $5,000, and I want to invest in a particular NFT because I believe that NFT may well be about to be bought by some celebrity or something, and I can then benefit from that. Obviously, once the next bull cycle takes off for crypto, we're going to see not only crypto exploding, but later on NFTs start to explode again, and the blue chip NFTs are always the ones that are going to outperform everything else and continue to have longevity. That's like CryptoPunks, that's things like Bored Ape Yacht Clubs, etc., etc. If you come over to the rewards hub, you can see that each week things are updated and you can earn different cryptos. If you deposit, then you get a bonus here. If you start to use margin trading, then you can get various bonus, all for all of these different things. Here you say 0.1 USDT. Obviously there's different amounts of money available for different tasks at the moment. Just because I haven't been using this platform too much, I've got $5 available, but up to $38 in airdrops are available each week. So make sure you participate in the platform to be able to enjoy the best benefits. Guys, everything available down through the link in the description, so make sure you come across and check that out. So in summary, guys, KuCoin is an amazing platform that gives you the opportunity to do spot trading, margin trading up to 100x, and many other things. It has a huge volume in trading, which means that you're going to get the very best prices, and it has over 700 cryptocurrencies available on the platform. Not only that, it gives you the opportunity to buy into massive blue chip NFTs by fractionalizing blue chip NFTs into smaller chunks that people can invest in, which is something I've not seen on any other platform. If you have enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Go and check out KuCoin through the link down below in the description. And as well as that, if you want to learn more about various exchanges, Web3, NFTs, crypto, and much, much more, then make sure you subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I will see you very soon with another video. Bye-bye.